Use a Phillips head screwdriver, take these two screws out. And grab the light assembly and just slide it back. There's a couple pins that hold that in. Disconnect the connector, slide that off. I'm going to use a T20 socket. Take this screw off here, here, and here. And grab the board and slide it up. You can replace the bulbs, just grab the bulb and slide it out. These are 3157 bulbs. You can do the same for the other ones. It's the exact same procedure. And just slide it back in position. Take those 3 screws and tighten them down. Just snug, not too tight. And take the connector, line it up, lock it down, and you can slide this back in position. Slide those pins in. Take the screws, get those lined up. And tighten these down. Just snug,